Oh no. Look what was left in the rain all weekend. Hey. Alright, Dan, deck update. Deck update. Deck update. We've got this little sort of situation here where we've got our posts for our seats. So that kind of slows us down because every cut we do we have to get around these posts. Well, just about every cut. We got it nice around this post though, the one I installed last week. Got a nice gap around there. And we're doing a picture frame as well. It goes all the way around. All the way up to around there and fades off into this weird corner there. And I just finished framing for this seat here. You sort of like knock either side. I try and keep a gap at least on two sides. The side that doesn't have a gap is where it's secured to. Using these big screws here to put two each side. And yeah, that's the seat, and that seat's going to go around here up to there, and then on the other side of the step it'll continue and connect to there. You can see our picture frame here as well. We've sort of done it with a 90mm around here to sort of finish it off, and that 90mm will continue down. That's what those support pieces are for. And sure enough, we put the marquee up for the sun, but it looks like it's going to protect us from the rain now.
Not today, mate.
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Biscuits. So just porridge today, yeah?
One more.
More rain, buddy.
Sideways rain too.
Sideways rain. Not even the marquee can hold up. Ooh, windy. Alright guys, it's lunchtime here at Carpentry. I thought I would open some mail. Hey buddy.
Hey.
Well, you got your salmon, avocado. Guys have been sending me stuff, believe it or not, now that I'm a YouTube superstar. This is from Kenny Watson. Thank you very much, Kenny. You sent me this. Kenny sent me this holder for all my. Oh my gosh, look at that. There we go.
Oh, the router bits.
Yeah, so they're all holes and you can put the different router bits in there. That slot there is for the spanners. Oh, and there's also a hinge jig.
Right.
Look at this. It's a jig for routering out hinges. Kenny, you're a legend. Thank you. So that is going to go in here. He saw that video that I did about the router foam in the router box. And he made it to fit right there like that.
Is that 3D printed?
Yeah, bro. You're a legend, Kenny. Thank you. I'll link it down below. His Instagram. I don't know if he's going to make more of these, but he told me he's made a few for guys on building sites, so I have to try that out sometime. Another positive thing from that video, a guy named Jono saw me using this stuff and he said, that's no good, it's a pile of rubbish. You should use Kaizen foam. So he sent me some Kaizen foam. See, it's like all layered. You can cut into the depth of it and peel it out one layer at a time rather than having to cut all the way through with a jigsaw like I did. All you need is a Stanley knife. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Boom, boom. I did a rough job of the cut, but that's fine. I'll probably put something up there too so it doesn't bounce around, because he gave me quite a bit of foam. So thanks, Jono. If you guys want some Kaizen foam and you're in New Zealand, I'll put his company down there. It's 180 Lean Solutions, I think. And yeah, check him out. Otherwise, Google Kaizen foam if you're overseas. More rain, eh, bro? So it's been another exciting episode of Scott Brown Carpentry. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And hopefully it won't be raining. Anything to add, Potter? Okay. Well, another day. Constant juggling of a builder in Auckland. You can't carry every tool you have, so you inevitably have to unload it, reload it, unload it, reload it. So that's what I'm doing now. This has really turned into mail time Monday. Got 2 packages. Oh, you know what this is? This here is a not very cool but very crucial item. Do I look cool? Or... Thanks, James. Look, 10,000 subscribers. That's nice. Hey, what? Beanies, festal ruler, another festal ruler, more beanies? Cat. Thank you very much. A festal hoodie. Thank you. Thank you very much, James. You're a legend. If you want a festal ruler, comment below and I'll send these out. Cheers. See you in the next episode.